In this video, I'll show you how to view and clear Chrome Incognito history on Windows. Firstly, search for the command prompt in the search box on Windows. Right-click on it and select Run as an administrator. Type ipconfig/display DNS. Press Enter. This command shows the DNS cache, which includes websites recently visited, even if not visible in Chrome history. The command output will display detailed information about websites visited. Follow the same steps as in Check Incognito History section. Type the command ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This command clears the DNS cache. The DNS entries are now flushed, and the websites you visited in incognito mode will no longer be accessible through DNS cache. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.